Okay, welcome to the third week class and tutorial. Okay, before we proceed to the next program, I wanted to hear, okay, what was the content last week? Okay, what was the content last week? What we have discussed, okay? What we have discussed last week, the second week on the 11th. I am waiting, I am waiting for your response, for your response. Why keep quiet? Why keep quiet? All of you. Come on. What was the content we did last week?
We learned about element of music.
Okay, very good. Element of music. Yes. Okay. Can someone tell me altogether how many elements of music? 7. Okay. Can someone tell me number 1? The what? Elements of music number 1 is what? La 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 la. Melody. That's very good. Very good. Number 2. Come on.
Harmony.
Harmony. Very good. Harmony. Huh? Okay. I hope you understand what is melody, what is harmony. Number 3. Very important for you. Number 3. Come on, someone. Number 3. Element number 3. Come on, number 3.
Tandem.
Yet? Beg your pardon? What's element number 3? Come on, help. Come on, come on, come on. This what? What is that? Read again. Repeat. Rhythm. Is it? Is it rhythm? Come on. Is it rhythm?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. Come on, faster. Number 4. Number 4. What is that?
Expression.
Expression. Oh yeah, smile. Okay, loud and soft and etc. Yeah, very good. Thank you for responding. Number 5, about to finish already. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. The element number 5. Come on, come on, don't waste time. Okay, come on. Just
Sound.
what is that?
Sound.
What is form? Is it form? Is it form? F-O-R-M? Form.
Yes, yes.
Okay, musical form. Yes, very good. Congratulations. With form, we have A, B, A, and etc. Form. Yeah, number 5. Number 6. Number 6. About second last element. Number 6.
Tone color.
Tone color. Yeah, you learn about tone color. Okay, tone color, the differentiation between boys and girls' voice. Okay, and even the young children and so on. Adults, male and female. All musical instrument, guitar, trumpet, and so on. Yeah. Okay, last one. Very important. What is that? Come on, last one. Texture. Okay, texture. In texture we have how many? 3, am I right?
Yes.
One is monophony, am I right?
Yes.
Second one?
Homophony.
Homophony, homophony, and the last one, very important, polyphony. Okay, that's very good. Where all very good, all very good. Oh, all student, la 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 la.